ਅਸੀਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਹੋਏ ਸੀਗੇ when we first started we didn't feel like Punjabi music where it should be. Now I feel like Punjabi music has actually gone to a global scale. Punjabi cinema is so massive here. Like he's doing his world tour. He went on Jimmy Fallon, and he's releasing a movie, and he's working on the album at the same time. So it's like, you know, like that's where we get inspiration from because we're lucky to be blessed with having him. See a song kita siga Daku, and it went really crazy in India.
सो आप पंजाब में हैं इस वक्त, सॉरी पंजाब में नहीं है इस वक्त, लेकिन आप कनाडा में हैं और एक पंजाबी हैं और पंजाबी सॉन्ग्स भी बनाते हैं। सो एक पंजाबी होने के नाते जो कि पंजाब में नहीं रह रहा है, कैसा फील होता है और पंजाबी कल्चर से इतना रूटेड आप लोग कैसे रह लेते हैं?
बहुत ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਜੀ because I feel like Punjabi music has finally got to that potential where we saw it, and बहुत time ਬਾਅਦ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਦੋਂ start ਹੋਏ ਸੀਗੇ when we first started we didn't feel like Punjabi music where it should be. Now I feel like Punjabi music has actually gone to a global scale,
Yeah.
and it feels amazing to see that, especially living in Canada. We see Punjabi music being playing everywhere. And like it's actually like how Latin music got really hyped over the years. I feel like Punjabi music is finally reaching that peak, and it's awesome to see that because it's finally like our culture, our language that we see at such a global scale.
So I agree with you because somewhere पंजाबी सॉन्ग्स जो पहले आते थे वो एल्बम सॉन्ग्स आते थे, राइट? और अब वो सॉन्ग्स देखिए तो आप बॉलीवुड की भी हर फिल्म में, हर मूवी में पंजाबी सॉन्ग्स होते ही होते हैं। इवन पंजाबी सिनेमा भी अब अलग लेवल पे जा रहा है। सो आप कनाडा में रह के देखते हो पंजाबी सिनेमा?
Yeah, for sure. Because Punjabi cinema is so massive here. Like, when a new Punjabi movie drops, like example how Diljit Paji is doing Jat and Juliet soon, it's gonna be sold out the first like 3 4 days. It's hard to get a ticket. It's hard to get a seat in like a local theater like Surrey, where I live in my city, Vancouver. So it's like Punjabi cinema has grown so much, and overall, I feel like everybody is really embracing the culture and the language. Especially like how you mentioned. Now you see Punjabi music and Bollywood movies, and it wasn't always like that.
या ओके। सो आपने दिलजीत पाजी का जिक्र किया, मेरे ख्याल से दिलजीत पाजी के साथ भी आपने काम किया है, कुछ कोलैबोरेशन हुआ है, क्या था वो, क्या थी स्टोरी? बिकॉज दिलजीत पाजी के बारे में बहुत सारी बातें होती रहती हैं,
Yeah, for sure. Diljit Paji, it was like a dream come true to work with Paji because I used to go to Paji's shows. I've been to all his concerts. I've watched all his movies. So like, I was kind of like the kid in the background, just being like, you know, when I started music, our friends would always be like, "Oh, imagine what it's like working with him." So like, when we first linked up, I had to tell Paji I had my fangirl moment, and I was like, you know, this is like a dream come true because मैं कोई भी ओदी फिल्म नहीं छड्डी, कोई show नहीं छड्डिया, and it was a really big deal for me. And to collaborate with him on a first song that we did was titled Umbrella, and that was a single. And after Umbrella, Shatri Gana Kita Siyak, and then it was Unforgettable. We did a second track, and then fast forward, we did one song on Paji's album, Vanilla. It was a single, and then we did a Coke Studio collab with Paji. It was titled Magic, Coke Studio India. And after that, we did a single on Paji's album, two singles on Paji's album, Jatavelli, and a track titled Popping. So yeah, we have a lot of more exciting projects coming out with Diljit Paji as well.
सो वो जितने एनर्जेटिक दिखते हैं, क्या वो उतने ही एनर्जेटिक एक्चुअली हैं?
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Paji, like you know, like one thing was him working with him, which was really blessing for us to learn, was that he is still one of the most hardworking, most in any room. I feel like he's always the most hardworking guy, and you feel like someone at that level, someone at that scale that he's at, they really kind of get comfortable. But it's opposite with him. I feel like he's always been the hardest worker. And Paji Nabeke, you kind of learn that like even if you're at the top right now, you still got to work twice as hard, and like Jeff the example like he's doing his world tour. He went on Jimmy Fallon, and he's releasing a movie, and he's working on the album at the same time. So it's like, you know, like that's where we get inspiration from because we're lucky to be blessed with having him in our circle to work with because वो तो inspiration बहुत मिलती है बाजी तो।
एक बार मैं आपसे और पूछूंगी वो भाभी और फेस टाइम के बारे में। फेस टाइम जो सॉन्ग था उसके बारे में भी थोड़ा बता दीजिए, एंड आपका जो लेटेस्ट ट्रैक है भाभी उसके बारे में भी बता दीजिए।
So FaceTime ਅਸੀਂ ਗਾਣਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ, ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਡੁਐਟ Song ਆ। ਬਹੁਤ ਟਾਈਮ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨੋਟਿਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਡੁਐਟ ਕਲਚਰ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋਇਆ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ
अब
뮤직
तो
ਵਿੱਚ,
शुरू हुआ,
ਰਾਈਟ?
यस।
Yeah,
Yeah.
because usi ek song ki Tasiga with my friend out in Toronto, Sukha. I did a song called Atasle, and that went
Mm,
really crazy all over Canada, America, especially India as well. Um,
mm,
After that, like we started getting into more into duets, and like we did a song called FaceTime with Miss Pooja. Miss Pooja is like super talented. She's known for like her duets from like the time when we were growing up. So we kind of brought her back in this new age like hip hop type of duet. We thought it'd be a
yeah.
fun track, and it's just like a back and forth between a girl and guy, and how they're
Mm,
talking about FaceTime Chakamundia, and
yeah.
she's talking about him to pick up FaceTime while he's with his family, and it's just like a fun playoff.
Mm,
And then so that was FaceTime, and it did really well. Super blessed. Everybody showed so much love. The second track was Papi that was just released this last Friday. It's already
mm,
doing so well. It's trending here in Canada in top music videos as well. Um, Papi track's doing awesome. We have a collaboration with him with Sandhu, and that track is just like basically he's asking his Papi like whose girl is that. So it's a fun play off of like an old folk song and that we recreated in a hip hop vibe.
या ओके चांदी सो आपने कभी मतलब इस चीज का ड्रीम मूव किया कि बॉलीवुड के लिए प्लेबैक करेंगे या किसी एक्टर या किसी हीरो के लिए वॉइस बननी है ऐसा कोई मोटिव है आपका
Yeah, for sure. If the opportunity is right, we're always open to it. We're always open to every opportunity. I see a song Kita Siga, Daku, and it went really crazy in India. And we have a lot of options for that one as well. We're talking about some potential movie collaborations for that song. So yeah, we're always excited and open to it, the conversation. If we feel like the placement is right. Because sometimes what happens is that I know you've seen this too. The Punjabi gaane, sometimes in cases when they get recreated in Bollywood, the recreation doesn't go as hard as the original.
या सो इफ यू हैव टू पिक एनी एक्टर और एनी हीरो व्हाट ही वुड बी फॉर योर
Uh,
वॉइस
I would say Salman Khan. I'm a childhood fan of Salman Khan.
सलमान भाई भाईजान ओके
Yeah, for sure.
व्हाई सो
I don't know. Growing up, I watched his movies a lot. Him and my second favorite was Sanju.
संजय दत्त
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, my last question would be, see, nowadays जब पंजाबी गाने इतने बल्क में बन रहे हैं, not only
Yeah.
पंजाबीज बल्कि सभी इस ट्रेंड में कूद रहे हैं. So, कैसे अपने सॉन्ग्स को डिफरेंट रखना पड़ता है क्रिएटिवली या फिर किस माइंड थॉट के प्रोसेस के साथ बनता है ऐसे सॉन्ग कि वो थोड़ा सा अलग हो डिफरेंट हो तभी ऑडियंस पसंद करेगी शायद.
Yeah, no, for sure. First off, what you said, I totally 100% agree with you. It is such a saturated market where there's so many Punjabi songs coming out daily. Even a lot of good music gets lost because there's so much to listen to now. And before, I feel like it wasn't always like that. So now there's a lot of Punjabi artists, there's a lot of potential, a lot of growth. So while that's happening, you're right, for sure, the competition gets 10 times harder. And you try making what sounds more unique, more different, even than your own music, and even something that's coming out every day. So yeah, it has been a challenging sound, but I feel like what we've been doing is we have our kind of own kind of lane, we have our own niche, and ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੰਮ ਕਰੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ. And at the same time trying to experiment new sounds, what we can do differently that doesn't sound typically like our last release, right? So that's the biggest motive for us is that let's try doing something that we haven't done before anything else.
Okay, okay. So congratulations for Bobby. First of all, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Bobby.
नहीं नहीं
Bobby.
सही है जी जमा सही है.
Okay. So yeah, first of all, congratulations for that and all the very best for your future projects. और बहुत जल्दी से आप सलमान खान की voice बनिए. With that. Okay. Thank you for
Thank
giving
you.
your time.
No, thank you
Thank you
guys
so
so much.
much.
Thank you for having us.
Bye. Bye. Have a good day, everyone.
For exclusive and insightful videos, subscribe to our new channel, ABP Live Premium.